What's up, everybody? Hope you're liking the new gear. It's called the Boone Brothers Supply Company. I got this on a contest I won. It's on Instagram. Check out Boone Brothers. They have a bass battle every Friday. Winner wins a free lure, shirt, hat. I'm feeling these colors, so I might be wearing this. I might be supporting y'all, Boone Brothers, because this is hot. I'm feeling that. So if y'all want to check them out, the link is going to be in my description below. Also today I'm fishing on a John boat again. I got two baits that I want to use. One is going to be my black and blue shimmy stick by Strike King. If y'all don't know what it goes in, it'll be in this little bag like this, and down below it'll say shimmy stick. And also today I'm going to try my BJ's custom lure. I won this one on the contest from Boone Brothers. So y'all check them out. Get in that contest, y'all. Y'all show some love to them. Y'all tell them that Bobby sent them on Instagram. All right, y'all check them out. And I'm about to get out here and get on this John boat and see if I can catch a nice big bass. Here we go, y'all. We got more live action coming to you. All right, y'all. First, I'm gonna drift out and I'm gonna use this beautiful BJ's custom lure that I got. Got one. Woo. Oh my goodness. BJ's custom lure. Look at that beauty y'all got me. Oh my God. That is a haul. That was caught off of your bait, BJ's custom lure. Woo, look at that beauty. And he is big. He's a healthy one. That was a nice catch. First cast off of that BJ's custom lure, and I got a nice bass on. So thank you for that bait. It is worth it. Y'all check him out. Let's get him back in. Got one. Good one. That's a good one. Don't jump out. He bit that one. See, when you're over there by that debris, you don't want to catch him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, look at that. Look at that chunky one. That's a beauty too. Wow. Oh yeah, they on fire today, y'all. They are on fire. That's a beauty. I'm glad I caught him. All right, let's get him back in. There you go, buddy. Yep, one more. See, anytime you in the debris like that, it's always good to go with a Cinco, because you don't want to get stuck on no trees or anything. Last time I came out here, I caught a couple of bass, but it wasn't like that big as the ones I just caught. The ones I just caught, those are some nice little chunks right there. There go one. Oh, he digging. He don't want to come up. Bit that one. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for letting me catch you. Back in you go. Okay, right now I'm going with this shimmy stick, black and blue. I'm dragging alongside the bottom. I decided to change up this one. Just to see if the bass is going to be biting it at the bottom. I can feel some structure. So this bait would be good for fishing on the bottom. I'm letting it sink for a little bit first. Then once it sinks, I slowly reel it in, pop, pop. I'm kind of going where the boat, uh-oh, there go bite right there. I felt that one. Let's see if you're gonna take it. Uh-oh, there it go right there. I'm gonna set it in, y'all. Got him. Ooh, he's a nice one. Don't jump. Ooh, that's a nice one. Come on. Get up here. Look at that bad boy. Already off the back. Off the back. I felt him bite it. And I let him sit for a little bit. He was playing with it. And when I lifted up, I felt that head shake. And I set him. So it's a nice bass. Pretty. It's a pretty bass. So let's get it back in the water. There you go, sweetie. Okay. So that lets me know that this Senko is definitely gonna do the trick. So what I did, I'm gonna repeat the same thing I just did. I cast it out. I let it sink. I let it sit for a little bit. Then I started dragging it. Pop, pop. Let it sit. It's like you can almost feel the head shake. So sometimes once you feel that head shake, just to make sure you don't set a tree, just kind of wait for it a little bit. Because when it's at the bottom, what it's doing is kicking up dirt. And that's attracting that bass. I'm gonna cast back over where I got that first one at. See, like that, you would set a hook on a stump and then you would lost that hook. Okay, let's get it back over there. Boom. Okay, so nothing bit right there. Now I'm gonna cast over here. Okay, cast again over here. Uh-oh, there go bite right there. He just bit it. Ah, he let it go. That was a bite, y'all. Oh, he took it. Get up here. He took that, y'all. He not that big, but he took it. He took it like he was a 10-pounder. That's a pretty catch, y'all. Beautiful. Nice fish. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for letting me catch you. There you go. Okay. Ooh, that's a good spot right there. All right, I want to go back to where that bass bit it. Get right there. See if anything bite right there. I feel some structure. Gotta be careful. Oh shoot, that's a bite. Got him. Don't go on the boat. Don't go under. I need you. Ooh, nice little chunk. He eating good. I set the heck out that bad boy. Look at that one. That's a nice one. He bit that bad boy and he ran with it. You know I can get a bigger one than that. Look at that. He just finished eating too. Let's get him back in. There you go, buddy. You want to jump one more time? No? Okay. Let's cast it right on over here. One thing I will say about this bait caster, boy, it launches. See, like that tug right there, you think it's a fish, it just slowly lifts it. Nothing but debris. Sometimes there can be a bass sitting under there. Got one. He was hiding too. Yeah, buddy. Come on over here. Come on to Papa. You think you slick. He is mad. Ooh, that's a nice one. You think you he got to live to see another day. There you go, buddy. You are welcome. Get him back in there. All right, let's try this again. Caught him right over there, hiding. He thought he was slick. He was gonna try to nibble it. He wasn't even trying to bite it. He tried to nibble that bad boy. All right, so my worm is beat up. So y'all know what I'm about to use, that Texas rig. Uh-oh, they go bite right there. Ooh, He bit that one good. He bit that one. Look at that one. That's beauty. Beauty at its finest, and he bit it right there. I just dragged it down real slow and started reeling in real slow, and I felt that bite and I dropped it and set that hook on. So that was a nice one. Good fish. Good fish. Get you back on in there. There you go. He was mad too. All right, y'all. I want to give a special thanks to Boone Brothers. Sorry, got a little drenched. It's been so hot, and I had a life jacket on, so that was covering up the drench. But at the same time, y'all need to try out that BJ's lure, that custom lure that I got. I'm gonna put the link also down below. I mean, as soon as I threw it in, I smashed and caught a nice giant one, and I caught a couple of more bass. I used a couple of Cincos, caught some nice bass for that. But overall, with that BJ's custom lure spinnerbait, I mean, instant reaction bite. So those catch nice big bass, as you can see in this video. Shout out to BJ's Custom Lures, and definitely shout out to Boone Brothers for the apparel. I'm definitely going to be getting some more lures, and I'm definitely going to get some more apparel from them. I mean, I love the colors, guys. Y'all did an awesome job with this. Shout out to you once again, and thank you for watching. Thank you for liking HK2 Production, and I'm out. It's hot out here. I need to get in the AC.